Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Logitech G502 HERO. It's the updated optical sensor, which is up to 1600 dpi. Anything else, you will see if it's the same. It has RGB light, LEDs, more than enough of buttons and customizable buttons, and some weights on the back. I will also be comparing it to my G502 Proteus core. So let's get going. Okay, so the box is it's pretty standard, or it changed a little bit, I think. Here is the mouse itself. Here is the Logitech gaming sticker. I don't think my older one had one. Here is some marketing stuff and nothing else in the box. Okay, yes, this is definitely new. This is actually for protecting the mouse in shipping. Let's unbox it fairly. Okay, so the top is off. The seamlessly scrolling wheel. This is pretty neat actually. You can swipe to the left and to the right. The DPI buttons, back and forward. The sniper button, which you can adjust custom DPI on the fly activation. Here downside is the weight compartment, which is magnetically held. These are really slippery for a seamless use. Here are the weights. This is actually my third box with the weights because I have two G502s. These are 3.5 grams, no, 3.6. So you can add more weight. This is some extra paperwork and how to install the weights and the software. Let's get to the mouse itself. The cord is more flexible, way flexible. Okay, even the front of it and the USB plug has changed a little bit. Don't forget you can set this mouse to 1000 pulling rate, so it will be really snappy. Let's get to the comparison. This on the right is my old one. As you can see, the design didn't change a bit. Here on down you can see the new logo, which is in blue. Okay, the pads are on the same spots. The side buttons look pretty much the same. Maybe the writing a little bit changed, or my old one is dirty. There is also a white version, which every glossy black is turned into white. I did not really like that, but I had the option to change. Also the scrolling wheel, this is a little bit darker. This is a little bit on the bright side. And if I'm not mistaken, as you can see, the new one is a little bit, it sticks out a little bit more. I hope it's not only visual. Yes, it definitely sticks a little bit more. But the most important thing, I think, is the cable. Because the new one, look how flexible it is. Look how flexible. And the old one, yes, the old one is also flexible, but it's a little bit thicker. And the cable that is leaving the mouse is holding a little bit inside. Let's compare the thickness. So they are both braided. This one is the new one, and this is the old one. So the braiding is a little bit smaller. Okay. And the biggest advancement is the sensor itself, which on the Hero, I don't know if you can see, but they change a little bit the lenses. Let me see if I can show you. So this is the old one. So that on top is the bubble. Okay. And this one is the new one. So it's a little bit different, but the sensor is also different. Okay. I will now connect the mouse and we'll see if there is some difference in lightning. So I have connected the both of them. This on the right is the first G502. This on the left is the new one. This is the Hero. Okay. My G502s are both configured in the same way. So I'm currently controlling my old mouse. The first what I have noticed is that the old 502 has surface tuning in the app. They both have onboard memory, so that is not a problem. As you can see, I have selected the profile too. I have set on my old mouse the DPIs for 400, 600, 800, 1000 and 1200. And 502 Hero, let's configure it. It has 5 profiles. So actually there is one more profile. I don't think if I can add more. So that is a plus. You can set one more profile. Can I disable the other ones? Okay. Let's set them to my old 400, 600, 800, 1000. Oh. Okay. So I set as my old mouse. So the shift is set to 1200. Here is the pulling rate. Let's get to the lightning. So there also are 4 profiles, I think. No, 3 profiles. 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 3 profi Yes, okay. So you can select DPI and logo. Let's get to the lightning. So it's on color cycle. Let's get on color cycle. Okay. The brightness is set to 100. The rate is on half. Okay. 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 The one thing I don't see, why is the DPI is not lighting up? They work, but they do not light up on the color cycle as on my old one. I don't know why it is. Okay. It will get there. One more difference. Look at the G logo. So this is the new G logo. It is, which is more squarish, and this is the old G logo. Okay. These are minor differences. I'm switching between these two. Actually, they feel almost the same. Maybe my old one is a little bit smoother because of the usage in time, and my pads have adapted. Okay, so you can save your profiles on the software or on the onboard or on the computer. Okay, let's get to the as you can see, you have that's why DPI did not light on. Now they are working properly. Okay, let's zoom in. So it was a settings. Okay, I want to DPI do not show, and the profile change disable. Okay, let's try the update. So is the last firmware, it's this on the Hero. Actually, as you can see, there are different G502 has angle snapping. And it's not available in the new mouse. These are the main differences between these two. The comparison. I know I have a really tired voice. So, thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. I will use my new Hero mouse to see if I'm better at the gaming. I'll be using World of Tanks as my test game for now. My mouse pad is upside down. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day. Bye.